everyone, this is Devi Harikumar and I had completed my level 4 HND in International Business in GBS and I'm from India, Tamil Nadu. I'm going to talk about the experience in the GBS and coming to the campus. It is a mixed culture, like lots of peoples from different countries are here in GBS. And coming to the curriculum, it is a mixed curriculum, like more practical. I can get a more knowledge out of it. It's a mix of theories and practicals. So it helped me a lot. The teachers are really so experienced. They guide you throughout the full semester or the full year. So they start from the beginning. They sit with you and guide. Whenever we want, we can go and reach them. See, are such a friendly characters and everyone are so good. As an international student coming from India to Dubai, it is an incredible experience. I had gained a lots of experience in this year. Like I met lots of people who are from different cultures and different countries. I have lots of friends from Russia. I feel different while connecting to them and it is a different experience. And my favorite place to chill out is JBR Beach. I go there and I feel light. I go with heavy hearted and then the climate and the beach, the calm places, everything make me light. When I go home, I feel refreshed over there. And finally, I would like to suggest you guys one thing, that please update yourself. Never mind it is an academics or exposure or something. Keep updating, keep studying and keep growing. Thank you GBS Dubai to bring me here. It's such a wonderful opportunity for me and all the best to the newcomers.